AP US History was one of the first AP courses offered by the College Board, and today it is the most taken AP exam in the nation. It has been taught at W.T. Woodson High School for almost 40 years, and during that time, our students have scored well above the national average, which has earned many of them 6 to 8 hours of college credit. Yes, it is a demanding course, but the benefits of the knowledge and skills you gain are worth the effort and commitment. As President John F. Kennedy said, we take AP US History not because it is easy, but because it is hard.
In APUSH, we cover 9 different time periods. We start before Columbus and we proceed all the way up until the present day. We look at what happened, when it happened, and probably most importantly, why it happened. We look for trends within time periods and across time periods. We look at multiple perspectives. We help students develop a sense of empathy for people of the past. We evaluate sources, their credibility, and their bias. And we look to apply information from the past to help solve problems of today. In APUSH, we help you develop not only a strong knowledge base of history, but we apply history disciplinary practices and reasoning skills. As far as disciplinary practices go, we look at analyzing historical evidence, again, from multiple perspectives. We look at developing arguments. We try to help you develop reasoning skills that will be essential to navigating not just APUSH, but college classes, career, and civic life, such as analyzing complex problems, thinking critically, evaluating evidence, putting history into context, making comparisons, evaluating cause and effect, looking at continuity and change over time. We want to help you craft persuasive arguments, respect other people's points of views, work as part of a team, and communicate effectively in spoken and written form. What can you expect in AP US History? Well, first of all, we're going to move at a very fast pace. We cover a lot of history, and we have to complete it before the AP US History exam. So we cover a 30-page or so chapter each week. We will also assign supplemental readings and primary sources to analyze. I like to compare it to a bullet train. We are moving from the pre-Columbus till today, and the train is flying. So you need to come ready to work. You'll do outlines of each chapter. You'll prepare a presidential notebook, which are the highlights and the lowlights of each president. We will give you writing exercises that will help develop your writing skills and prepare you for the AP US History exam. You'll learn how to construct historical arguments, back it up with evidence, rebut other people's arguments, and you will engage in lively class discussions. Projects. We do a lot of group work. We think it's important for you to work with partners and in groups. You'll do presentations. We will do debates. You will have an opportunity to participate as a witness or lawyer or judge in a mock trial. We will do a variety of simulations to try to make history come alive. And at the end of class, you'll even get to create your own video. Of course, like any class, particularly an AP class, there's going to be assessments. We have weekly chapter quizzes, a unit test every 4 chapters or so, a midterm, a final, a SOL, and of course, the AP US History exam. There's a lot of work, it takes a lot of time, but we believe the effort is well worth it.
And now the top 10 reasons to take AP US History. Number 1, you love American history. Number 2, you want to be challenged academically. Number 3, you want to develop academic skills that will help you prepare for other AP classes as well as college and life. Number 4, you can earn college credit for 2 classes by taking 1 exam. Number 5, you want to be able to understand the current political issues that have their roots in our history. Number 6, a 1-point GPA bump can't be a bad thing, can it? Number 7, it will make you more competitive in your quest to get into your top college choices. Number 8, United States history is far more interesting than you remember from 6th and 7th grade. Number 9, you might want to be a contestant on Jeopardy someday. And number 10, you'll look good when you're asked random questions by some late-night talk show host as you walk the streets of New York or LA.
If I hit this,